Imagine you're working on a critical project, and you need to find the perfect image to illustrate your concept. You spend hours sifting through Google results, only to find mediocre images that don't quite capture the essence. This is a problem many professionals face today. In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to find the perfect images in minutes, and why I stopped Googling altogether. Perplexity AI is an AI image search engine that uses a unique algorithm to deliver more accurate and relevant results than Google. With over 10 million images indexed, Perplexity AI is the go-to tool for professionals looking to save time and boost productivity. Let's dive in and see how it works. To start using Perplexity AI, head over to their website and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click on the Image Search tab and enter your search query. For this example, let's say we're looking for images of sustainable energy for a marketing campaign. As you type in your search query, Perplexity AI's algorithm kicks